Promotion.
Yes, independent promotion. Sa Bisaya pa ingon ni Mayor na hinay ka naman, ako na ang padayon.
So ito nga, it's gonna be an interesting ball game dito. El Condor Game Farm against the WB and Sofia Batuan. Tikboy del Rosario, a pride of Bicol region, isang Oragon. I guess it's from Sorsogon or Catanduanes.
Pero speaking of Oragon ninyo, may kaibigan din tayo. Oragon, Alexander, Lolo, Pablo.
You know, the three foreign players for the El Condor Game Farm, no? We have Ugma, Sajo, and Ujula. Oh, what a steal coming from Tikboy del Rosario. Here's Bawan, Batuan. That's good. First shot for Tikboy del Rosario.
When in doubt, shoot again, Nino. Let's talk about the five of El Condor. We have now Minguito, the former CIT, the former almost an FEU, John Abad UV, Ujola from FEU, who played for Inderan, not that time,
Denied by Inwanko, a player of DLSU.
DLSU Green Archers yan. Let's talk about WB and Sofia Batuan. You have their Corpus, the former Adamson University, PBA player din yan, Concepcion, former UST, and itong Lopez.
John Abad, wide open shot. Tackles out, Minguito with a big rebound.
Alam mo, Minguito and Concepcion ninyo, teammate to ha, sa Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay, just a week ago.
Yep, just a week ago. To rest and to, you know, find another team here sa Panalay. Juanco against Sanjo, too strong. Oh, that is a foul.
Ugma, every time he has the ball ninyo, parang iba yung plano, no? As you can see, Coach Caro said, attack.
Yep. You know, itong si Ugma, may player itong nakasama na product ng PSL, itong si Milano or Malano. For Davao, no? Nakalaban nyo to, no?
Yes,
Si
exactly.
Paul Malano.
Again ninyo, marami tong magagaling na player dito ha. First time nangyari to dito sa Kawayan, Municipality of Kawayan, Masbate. Mamaya, ang lalim ng bench ng dalawang team. Coach Bong Pineda asking that there's 2 free throws.
That's a air ball for Nwanko, who was asking for some foul. 3-2.
Coach Caro talking to Minguito. Huwag kang mag-help shooter yung Lopez. As Minguito. Yes!
Vincent Minguito got the shot. 5-3, 2-point lead. Stepping on the line for John Abad.
Ang mali lang doon ninyo, bakit si Juanco yung nagbigay sa ilalim? Dapat at least shooter, di ba? Oo. At least shooter yung entry pass para at least, alam mo, hindi mag-help yung depensa sa passer.
7 minutes. Sherwin Concepcion, also a shooter. Look at this leaping ability, coach, you know?
And it's very athletic niya. Again, sabi mo kanina, nakalaban namin siya sa Davao. Playing for Indiran Colleges is really a good player. Not only that, Nino, every time he miss or made a shot, he always sprint down to the basket. Babalik at babalik yan sa depensa.
John Abad controlling the tempo here. Minguito, same spot. Miss. Jackson Corpus, story nitong player na ito, no? He was a valuable player when he was in high school and then naging college varsity player lang bigla. Ito si Jackson Corpus.
Exactly.
Ugma. Miss. Five to 3. Lopez. Fires. Miss shot. 5-3. Tanggap sa gitna, Ojula. Hindi ka na rebound, says to the wrong guy. Tikboy to Lopez. In transition, I get one. Poste si Ojula against Jackson Corpus. Pas sa labas, swing to Mingito. Fires. Ojula sa ilalim. Wala, rebound. Ojula against two. Oh, against the other one.
I think there's no parang sa baba pa lang eh. And one na! Against 3 defenders for WB Sofia.
Long press lang to, hindi kita madungog na. Tama pero long press lang, long press. Long press.
Ochola now on the free throw.
It is 7-5 now, Coach. It's just a seesaw battle for the opening quarter natin for both teams, no? Kung sa boxing pa, tansyahan lang eh, no?
Oo, pero ninyo nakita natin kanina sa opening, parang sa bracket nila, they will play na 1 and 2 safe to say. Again, yes, the ball is round, but talent-wise, liyamado itong dalawang team.
Sanjo. That is a foul.
Player now for El Condor basketball team, the former PBA player Vic Manuel, and dito rin for the WB Sofia, you have Joffrey Santos, yung nag-trending dun sa Ito sa Buanga Sibugay ninyo.
And you have Napolis din eh, no? Who played for teammate nitong si Bulanavic tsaka Vic Manuel for Pangasinan Heat 12.
Oo. Alam mo, ito si Napoles. Alam mo yung kung anong gusto ng coach gagawin. Mag-rebound ka, mag-box out ka, depensa ka. Yun yung gusto ng coaches eh. Napoles is a perfect example for that.
That's a missed shot for Napolis. 4-17 sa ating oras. Ugma. Deflected by Santos. And Santos easy layup.
Joffrey Santos. Ninyo sigurado itong mga tao sa kawayan. Pag nakita niya how skillful is this guy, they will be really have fun later on.
Ugma. Missed shot. Ujula. Inside. That's another foul. Shaq Imperial, Alex Cabagnot.
Yeah, one of the PBA ever to play as a point guard, a multi-titled point guard, Alex Cabagnot. Ojola now has 3 offensive rebounds to his name.
Balikan natin, no? AC, Alex Cabagnot, the crunchman, you know, that 5 of SMB. Chris Ross, Cabagnot, Santos, Junmar Fajardo, and Super Marshall Lassiter, you know.
Oo.
That 5, you know, that 1 and 3 standing against Alaska. I was high school that time, tuwang-tuwa ako nakita yung game na yun.
Grabe. Talented. And then, bottom line, no matter gaano ka kagaling, importante ninyo, yung leader. And one of that is itong si Alex Cabagnot. One of the best leader for SMB, and for sure, even here.
Sap-sap. Misses that one. Vic Manuel with a catch and a score. It's 11-7. Tikboy goes to Inwanku at the post against Sanjo. They go to Tikboy del Rosario, missed shot. But 3 maroon or correction, it's a purple shirt.
Yes, but in one, Conino, yung activity niya sa ilalim, nahirapan itong Sanjo at Ojola for El Condor team wearing the yellow jersey.
Vic Manuel with the catch. Ujula, Imperial, Cashman, swings, Sanjo. Oh yes, ball rotation right there for El Condor game farm.
Oh, ganda ng ball rotation na. Ganda ng mga one more, mga paint touches. Sayang hindi lang pumasok.
Sap-sap, the fake, diretso sa kamay ni Vic Manuel. Counter steal naman for Jory Napoles. The save goes out of bounds. It is 11-7. Vic Manuel fires short from downtown. Sanjo to Cashman. It's out of bounds. 1:52 time remaining for the opening quarter.
Alam mo ninyo dito, nakita mo yung tao na sa likuran, naka-pink, nakapatong na. This is how like basketball is really drawing crowds, especially dito sa Kamohangay Festival of Kawayan, Masbate. The Robo Cup or the Muscle Man as what you want to say.
Vic Manuel too strong. Kick out, sa pass up, miss.
Kamagdon, open for 3. Medyo matagal yung pasa ni Vic Manuel that time eh.
That's a foul on Cabagnot.
Good stop.
Substitution, Alain Bulanadi. Also a former Pangasinan Heatwaves. Kakampi ni Vic Manuel ni
Also used to play for the Phoenix
Phoenix.
sa PBA. Again,
Fuel
yun,
Masters.
sayang yung nilaro ni Alain Bulanadi sa Zamboanga Valientes nung Ipon Zamboanga Sibugan. He has all the chances nung game na yun na makapasok sila sa finals.
But you know, let's move on and new
Mabawi yan. Mabawi yan.
new team for Alain Bulanadi.
New team, new life, another chance.
Di naman new life, grabe ka naman. Parang reborn na.
Reborn kasi akala ko ito Masbate, part of Visayas.
Hindi.
Luzon pala to.
Oo.
So ngayon ninyo, mula Apari hanggang Hulo, na tayo.
Vic Manuel. That is 3 seconds remaining. Quadrado dun no? Itong si Napoles, itong si Vic Manuel. That time, his former teammate.
Yeah, magandang labanan sa ilalim. Kayod Marino yung Vic Manuel.
Santos, elevate shot.
Mga nakalimutan ninyo. Nandyan pa, si Kuya Tuya. Paka-paka.
JR Kinyahan.
The baby Shaq as what we've known him all year long. Kinyahan.
Manuel fires. Can't get it. Juan who gets the rebound. Eleven to 8. Shot clock at 10. Bulanadi apples out. Shot.
But I like that shot of Alain Bulanadi. Kailangan niya tirahin. And Juan Conino has been all over the place for WB and Sofia. He's very long and athletic.
Well, you know, he's also trained by Mike Phillips, in the LSU.
Kung ikaw nga, everyday, kalaro mo yan. Sa pasa!
Shoutout natin yung mga nanonood. Kahit saan man kayo. Sa Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao, maayong hapon. It's El Condor Game Farm against WB and Sofia. Batuan.
Also new player for W and Sofia, Tolentino. Alam mo kung anong nabibigay sa Tolentino ninyo tinatawag nga siyang Mr. Energizer. For sure, every time makashot to, for sure yung mga tao dito, they will really have fun.
Aside sa mga medyo patok yung pangalan sa social media, no? Huwag mo kalimutan, Coach, Tan Cinco inside the floor also for the WB.
Yeah, hard-working player for WB and Sofia.
Shoutout lang natin, nanonood from Di Casa Rosa Restaurant Crew, sa mga crew dyan, at saka kay Chef Alex.
Sanjo, nagpapakamatay. Yun yung gusto mo. Kung ikaw pa naman yung manager, ganyan yung import mo. Simento, kahoy, bato-bato, nagda-dive. Siguro ninyo sa barili, sabi mo, dun sa packet sa inyo, na-dive yun.
Oo. You know, that court, no? You have some wet spot here, by the way.
Again, we're still checking the floor if it's playable. Bottom line ninyo, safety first.
Oo, tsaka, you know, sa daming tao dito, pag papasok yung mga sapatos, yung mga tsinelas na medyo alikabok, pag tumapak yung mga players dito, medyo madulas talaga yan eh, no?
Oh, ganun naman talaga pag mga probinsya ninyo eh.
Papasok din dito si Flores for WB and Sofia. Tolentino. Miss shot. Rebound top by Sanjo Tocobagnot. 11-8. Vic Manuel grabs it. Sanjo. Denied by Flores. Forward. Vic Manuel.
Vic Manuel 2 out of 5 from the 3-point line. Kanina, narinig ko si Coach Carlos, sabi niya, atakihin mo. Sabi, Vic Manuel, relax lang, Coach.
Tumira muna sa labas, no, itong Vic Manuel. Extending their lead to 6 here, 14-8. Sa pass-up, miss shot, rebound Vic Manuel. Kita mo yung ngiti ni Jack Corpus, eh, no? Manuel. Tries to attack the floater, the bounce, and it's here. Timeout.
We have a timeout here. That's a good timeout here. This is a 7-0 run.
Deflected by Santos.
Will
Santos, easy layup.
SMB, and for sure, even here.
Sap-sap. Misses that one. Vic Manuel with a catch and a score. Denied by Flores. Forward. Vic Manuel. Manuel tries to attack the floater, the bounce, and the score.
May dalawang beses ako nagbasa kasi hindi narinig. O kanina po, basket sir, kung nagbasa na agad, hindi niya narinig.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Dalawang beses na hindi narinig. Basta pag ano, pag sanig, pag nagkadumagulo lang.
Smart Araneta Coliseum
Oh, the
in the MPBL Invitational.
Yep.
By Chooks to go.
the former UP Red Warriors. Medyo yung sabi ko sa'yo kanina, medyo pumayat siya.
Yes, kondisyon si Philip na yun. Poste si Flores. Tapik ni Sanjo. Nowhere to go, 4 seconds left. Manalang. Gets it, Purpose. Sanjo just swinging that one. Connecting that ball and finding his teammate.
Oo, nasa iyo na yan. Gusto mong kunin yung bola, kunin mo ninyo.
Vic Manuel. Susubok ulit. Mintes. Philip Manalang. Nice find to Tansinko.
Especially that outlet passes.
Jersey number 13.
And the new player now, Escobedo, the former San Sebastian Recoletos. If I'm not mistaken ninyo, 2 years ago, top 5 to sa scoring sa NCAA.
Oo, no? Raymart Escobedo under Coach Arvin Bonleon.
Yes.
Pride of Surigao. Karajao na hapon sa injury kanan. Valentino, Mr. Energizer. Too strong. Flores off the glass is good.
But you see, although nag-miss ng layup, ang importante, how he attacked the fast break.
Poste si Sanjo against Jackson Purpose. Sanjo. Left hook.
Players is asking, tumama daw sa paa. Dagangonan ang Ugba, bumalik na. Dagangon, a multi-travel player for MPBL. Ugma, kanina pa yan tinitira. Again, he needs to settle down. That's already 4 miss coming from the 3-point line.
Miss shot again. Ugma goes to Vic Manuel. Manuel tries to drive. That is a foul on Philip Manalang.
Jersey number 13.
Inupunin na si Sanjo.
Manan.
Match up with the speed nitong batuan.
Exactly.
Talking about the El Condor game farm. Escobedo fires. Short one for Raymart Escobedo. Tolentino against three defender. Chase down block. Coach, it didn't hit the rim. Hindi sa goaltend, but yung backboard no?
Yes.
Yung tinamaan.
Exactly. Kaya galing naging goaltending siya.
Wow, Escobedo.
Parang tumaan lang sa River of Moses.
Manalang. Speaking of speed, nila turnover. Ugba. Toss for pass, Vic Manuel. Catches it. Miss. Dagdagawan sa ilalim. Wala. Put back. Wala pa rin. Jackson Purpose. Philip Manalang. Tolentino. Over the head pass. Nasa Gedli. Data. And the left is good. So they call
There was an offensive foul called.
basket not count.
Not basket.
Clear naman talaga. It's really an offensive foul. Ready Gonzalez that shot. Hinawakan eh.
Tulak tsaka isang kamay.
Yes.
Tsaka kita mo yung elevation ng kamay na sinulak talaga.
Alam mo ba ng mga referee na ito si Ugma, very athletic. So, he will really attempt for that block.
So that was the offensive foul. By the way, El Condor still scoreless here, 4-0 run ito. Manuel, the cut, Ugma, layup is good. Philip Manalang, Tolentino to the corner, Tansinko, miss. Out of bounds.
Flores and Manuel now. Ganda ng laban sa city area. Yun yung gusto ng mga tao eh. Alam mo, although basketball, is not a bloody sport, alam mo naman yung tao, gusto talaga yung mga pisikalan.
Dagdagangan with the catch. Ugma. Escobedo all day. Too strong. Rebounded Manuel. One-handed. Ojula. Short. Ojula again. Stolen away by Tolentino. Flores. Nice and foul.
That's what an energizer is doing now. Batuan.
And single ball.
Upo si Philip Manalang.
Another single.
Tan 5 dito papasok si Sapasap tsaka si Itikboy del Rosario.
Oh, maganda yung rotation ng WB and Sofia. Batuan. Again, basketball ninyo. Not only it's a sport, it's also entertainment.
To 14, the save goes to Sanjo. Uma with the attack. Uma gets it. Substitution dito. Kim Agovida, makikita natin first time for this action, coach. The former JRU heavy bomber CA Juniors who scored 82 points.
Parang 100 din. He still hold that record.
Nalabuan ng 100. Nalabuan ng 100.
Tingnan natin.
Soft touch.
82 points
Yeah, 82 points nga.
in one game.
Sa pasap. Fires for 3. Too strong. Rebound Escobedo. Takbo si Gab Dagao and the layup is good. HSD. 25-14. Handoff. Inwanko. Scan si teammate. Lalabas si Tolentino sa Gedli. Titira. Mintes. Rebound. Kakulot ni Inwanko. That is a foul on Sanjo.
On one go, getting that 50-50 points. Sanjo, the former King Cobra of Southwestern University, acknowledging that it was really a foul.
First team foul pa lang yan for
Yun lang. Yun yung
Batuan.
maganda.
Oo.
As you can see, all the people here, Ninyo, we need to give credit where credit is due. Mayor, Condor, sa ganda ng liga, may vaccine pa tayo ni Sunday.
Oo, no? Tikboy del Rosario. Ito si Tikboy, you know, na solito del North ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns, eh. No?
Oo, tama.
He played for Pampanga. Gicho Serrano.
Good memory.
Siyempre,
Ito, ayaw mong malibre. Shoot!
remember during his college days, Scotty Thompson lang naman yung tagapasa nito.
Oo, sarap ng buhay. Alam mo yung Scotty Thompson na atake para papasa.
Oo, para kay Gab Dagao, no? Yan lang.
As the violation is carrying the ball. El Condor.
28-18, 10-point lead for El Condor. Back to our ball game. Timeout called by El Condor Game Farm. 10-point lead. Wow, nice catch in the midair.
Out pa mag-timeout. Sigurado ako, Coach Caro, nag-prepare to ng zona or man-to-man. And you have that athletic guy, Uma. Simple ang buhay ni Escobedo.
Just let it fly. As in one misses that. Raymart Escobedo stepping up his gas. Gab Dagao fires.
Yeah, Concepcion bumalik na.
Missed shot for sure in Concepcion. Point lead. Escobedo. Agovida. One-hander. Keep Agovida.
This guy is skillful for his size. He can play big, pwedeng sa labas.
Small tsaka big salita na.
Kaya nga umuscore lang ng 82 points sa junior sa NCAA.
Ano?
Kahit sa buhay ko, siguro mga 10 games, bago na 82.
Kahit 50% ng 82 eh. Mahirap.
Kahit sa isang game, no?
Oo. As the purple shirts of Batuan, you know, a different second quarter here, Coach Paul, compared to their opening quarter.
Ang problema sa WB and Sofia at Batuan, who will score for them?
Yeah.
Yes, they can defend, but the question is, sinong titira?
Last 10 seconds.
Tandaan. This guy is
He is a legit shooter, by the way. Gab Dagangon, 3-3 na for JD.
That's 3 out of 3 from the Dagangon. As Del Rosario there, moving without the ball. Now, that's how you stop a burning fire. As El Condor Game Far is on fire from inside and outside.
You mentioned about the momentum no, nitong El Condor.
Only 3
Three-point shot for El Condor.
Sa dito lang, sa second quarter lang yan ha.
Hindi,
Yung 5.
kasama kay Gab, kay Vic Manuel sa dalawang
Yung sa first quarter.
Sa tatlo, dami siyang Gab. Sancho denied inside.
What a move there by Lopez, just missing Guinness. Ganda nun.
Kita mo, ando na yung layup, babat yung
Oh.
Pectus, alabas.
Lumabas pa, no? Again, you know, the breaks of the game, kasali yan eh. Oh,
50 seconds, 14 to shoot.
El Condor players are now switching it all.
Sancho na. Sancho gets that one. (38 to 19). Escobedo fires.
Last 10
Good
seconds.
shot. Del Rosario. Tikboy. Goes inside. Napoles is out. For Jory Napoles.
Oo, dalawa yun eh.
Uma. Wow, tinahali pa yun.
1-0. Really changing the shots here for El Condor. De Rosario. And that's it. That's the end of our
38 to 21 our score. Third quarter action here in Kawayan, Masbate for our first ever Kahamugaway first invitational tournament.
Nice basket. Jersey number
Opens the third quarter. Farm. Lopez. Tom Manalang. Philip. Over the hand pass. Lopez. A little smaller defender. It's out of bounds.
good defense that time. As Manalang, hindi niya maintindihan eh. Lopez open na sana.
Ugma. To John Abad. Poste si Ojula against Nuanku. 9 seconds. So far, hindi pa binalik yung Alin Bulanadi for Batuan. Out of bounds.
Oo, yun yung kulang
Last
sa
8 seconds to shoot.
yung scoring power. So that's what Alain Bulanadi can do for this team.
Dagangon na iwan, Abad.
5 seconds.
4 seconds. Ugma fires, misses. Rebound goes to John Abad. Fires for 3. Short again for John. Out of bounds para sa yellow jerseys ng El Condor Farm. 40 to 21. 19-point lead. Manala.
That's his first.
Jersey number 13, Manala.
They need a stop here.
40-23. First field goal nga, sabi mo Coach Paul. Ojula. Deficit for the purple shirts. Missed shot. The cut by Lopez. The layup.
That time, after missing that open shot ninyo, yun yung pinasok na. That's how you play. If you miss from the outside, go to the inside.
Ugma at the post. Nabitawan na naman. Picked up by Joffrey Santos. Santos. 2-in-1-2. Short. And rebound by Gab Dagangon. Kasi foul Joffrey Santos.
O 1-2.
Jersey number 81.
Asking for a foul. You know, if I'm a referee, simple lang tawagan kasi si Juan ko pa-fade away eh. Kung gusto niya wants to really, go to the free throw, ibangga mo.
Yep.
Punta mo sa ilalim, sa shaded area.
Eh, nagpapalayo. Lumalayo siya sa bump no? Gab Dagangon gets the defensive rebound. That is a traveling
It's
violation.
a traveling violation.
Malalaki talagang mama doon. Clearly traveling call there for Gab Dagangon. Manalang trying to push the ball.
Sa pass-up.
Basket is found.
This is the
Jersey
down.
number 11.
Clearly a foul there on Dagangon. Sa pass-up, good read, going downhill, good pass again by the former UE Red Warriors, Philip Manalang.
A shot. Rebound by Joffrey Santos. Fires from downtown. Miss shot for Joffrey.
That's a good box out there that time.
Sorry, miss for Ugma. Manalang fires. Misses. Rebound Ujula. Ugma will control this one. Ugma. That is a foul.
It's a foul. Jersey number 22.
Sa umatras eh. We have another substitution now for El Condor Gym. We have now Shaq Imperial subbing off John Abad.
Bola. Kabilang.
Safety first.
Warning for technical jersey number 27 for disconcerting.
27 kang kita.
Ugma missing his first free throw. Again, the 5 now for WB Sofia Batuan. You have there Lopez Manalang, Juanco Santos. And for El Condor, you have Ugma Mendito Manuel. Oh, clearly that's a carrying violation. A traveling violation. Kung sa una pa ninyo, kasi tawag nga ito. Kabo-kabo. Ikabo.
Ugma out kapag coming in.
Ugma will sit down.
Yep, Coach Caro finding a good fight now. They haven't scored. 3 minutes drought so far.
40 to 27. Vic Manuel at the post. Manuel with his patented one-hander. Lopez fires short. 42-27, Minguito. Cabagnot will control. The Cashman. Nowhere to go. Manuel. Out of bounds.
As indication, as a referee.
40-27. Shot clock at 5. Shaq Imperial. That's a shot clock violation for Mr. Shaq Imperial.
Yan, yun yung problema. Hindi nakatingin lahat sa shot clock eh. Akala kasi nila ni-reset.
Lopez drives.
Every time the downhill ninyo, you can really see how athletic this guy is.
Minguito. Miss shot. Jory Napoles with a big rebound. Napoles lays it in.
This is the closest they've been since that first quarter, down to 11. Again, Nino, talking about basketball, alam mo naman natin, this is a game of runs.
Manuel, one-hander. Another miss for El Condor. Jory Napoles. Kick out kay Philip Manalang. 41-31. For the miss. That is for Napoles.
That's a good drive.
His go-to move. Lopez spinning. Extra speed to Napoles. That's a good stop.
Or farm.
Alain Bulanadi and Sanjo for respective teams. Sanjo against Nuanco.
It's a 3 seconds.
3 seconds violation. Or 30. Manalang. Bulanadi. Napoles. That is another push.
Jersey number 14, holding foul.
Alex Cabagnot on that pick and roll with Lopez. Kaya nga si Alex
Second personal foul, number 14.
Are we blitzing? Are we hard show?
Bulanadi gets a big shot.
As Alain Bulanadi three-pointer of the game.
That is a push.
It's a foul. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 5, brother.
That's a number 5.
Bulanadi
with a push against Alex Cabagnot. 44-34, 10-point lead. Earlier it was 20. Cabagnot fires, rattles out. Rebound Nuanco. Here comes Lopez. The spin. The feed. Napoles underneath. Gawa ng bola. Here comes Laundry Sanjo.
Sayang. Again, Lopez Nino playing unselfish basketball. Pinasa niya kay Napoles, hindi lang talaga pumasok.
That's another foul for Inuanco. So papasok ulit dito si Sherwin Concepcion.
Jersey number 22, holding foul. Third personal foul, jersey number 22.
Para kay Lopez, no?
Warning for penalty.
Ganda ng mga ginagawa niya drives.
WB Sofia Batuan.
WB and Sofia Batuan, they need a stop here. Corpus, bumalik na.
Sanjo, short. Rebound for Jackson Corpus. Mag-feed to Napoles. Denied by Sanjo.
Sayang hindi nakita ni Manalang trailing itong Bolanadi.
Another stop by the purple shirts. Concepcion. Bulanadi. Didiskarte. Manalang. All day. Manalang. No shot. Awit si Vic Manuel. Aatake. Lilay up lang pala.
Manuel, 2 points.
Corpus, I thought it's a challenge in your layup ninyo, but my thought is wrong. Pinabayaan lang.
Corpus. Concepcion. Sherwin. That's Corpus.
Missing his first, or making his first
Picking up all jersey number 8.
pointer up again. Alam mo naman natin ninyo, that is his role.
It's a warning by the way for Concepcion. Cross-court pass, Cabagnot. Ojula. Manuel fires. Misses. Rebound Sanjo. Reset tayo dito. Sanjo. Stolen away by Napoles. Bulanadi. Napoles.
Starting jersey number 15. Now about
Ito na lang.
Exactly.
Here comes the screen by Vic Manuel. Shaq Imperial. Pupunta kay Ojula. Nakaantaba yung help dito ni Concepcion.
5 seconds to shoot.
By Babagnot. Fires.
Pag not moving without the ball, nung una nasa corner, nag-cut opposite. That's a good read that time for the former PBA great player.
Philip Manalang. Jackson Corpus. Alain Bulanadi. Shot clock nasa 5 na lang. Bulanadi. Hesitation. Bulanadi. 2 seconds. The shot clock.
Addition number 8.
Good defense that time, especially on-ball defense. Onjola and Bolanadi. Sayang lang hindi nakita ni Napoles. That's already a mismatch. Gusto niyong mag-screen pa kay Bolanadi.
Seconds left here. Sanjo. That one is a miss.
That's all jersey number 26.
He was hit by an elbow.
Flores. Second personal foul. Flores. Penalty situation.
Sanjo on the free throw line. Making his first.
Missed for Sanjo. Oh, good save by Larry Sanjo. About 2 seconds. The catch man, missed shot.
Ipalit mo yung bola.
Last 30 seconds here in our third quarter.
Dito marisit kuya. Huwag marisit ba?
Dol, announce Dol kung 10 seconds to shoot para ma-aware sila. At least man lang, di tama balikan mo.
25.
On the game clock, 15 seconds to shoot.
Last 14 seconds to shoot.
20 on the game clock, 14.
Last 10 seconds.
Manalang. Oh, stolen away by Vic Manuel.
10 seconds remaining.
Imperial lays it in. Back to 11. Concepcion fires. Missed shot.
Number 2. Jersey number 4, Palante. Last 14 seconds to shoot.
Manuel. 10 seconds to
Last 10 seconds to shoot.
Vic Manuel. Ojula. Imperial. One-hander. Ojula. Missed shot. 51 to 41. Concepcion. Missed shot. Sanjo with a big rebound.
This is just our first day of our Open Basketball Invitational Tournament. First ever to. Foul there for Corpus. Let's talk about the tournament format. Tagangon, the half guy on the first half. 3 out of 3 from the trifecta. Coming back to the first half. Dito sa second half.
Kailangan ng power ni Coach Caro sa outside no?
Oh, baka nang lamig na rin to eh. Oh, good read there. Good back. Pwede pa matulog ng 2 oras nun. Walang katao-tao.
12 assists now for Del Condor, game far. Bulanadi, Alain, rattles out. Dalawang shooter sa NCAA, nagbantayan, no?
Oo, gandang
Sa
laban
dalawang
naman.
taga-Davao.
Sayang, ibay. Again, let's talk about tournament format ninyo. 6 teams divided into 2. Top 2 tayo each group. 1 and 2 for the semifinals and a knockout for the championship.
Ojula, balik kay Vic Manuel, long 2. Good.
Yes, he's now a bit experienced compared before. But, you know, talking about scoring, Vic Manuel has been so far so good all throughout Philippine basketball. Alam mo rin yan, naglaro to sa PBA. Naglaro pa lang yung PBL in just 1 year.
Escobedo,
8 seconds to shoot.
Gaptagangon, 5 seconds to shoot. Escobedo, wow. Napaganda ba yun? 5 seconds to farm.
Escobedo, really a good shooter. A natural 2 guard turned into a point guard.
Bulanadi,
Last 10 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds. Bulanadi misses. Sanjo.
Last 10 seconds to shoot.
Sa bounce. As Bulanadi.
I like that pass of Manalang to Bulanadi. Alam mo yung advance pass? Touchdown there for Manalang to Bulanadi.
Back by 15. Manuel against Stickboy. Vic Manuel, the pass. Recovered by Sancho. 4 seconds to shoot. Deflected. Sancho needs to pass. And shot clock violation.
That's a shot clock indeed. Pero, almost pwede naman yung kunin ninyo. Naging, alam mo yun, baka matira. Almost nga natira pa nga eh.
50-50 pa eh, no?
Oo. Sayang eh. You have a stop. Baka matirahan ka pa niyan.
Bulanadi. Out of bounds.
It's
6 minutes time remaining for our last quarter here in Toyan Masbate for our first ever Kahamugaway Open Basketball Invitational Tournament. Gab Dagangon fires. What a setup to Gab Dagangon. This time, medyo strong.
Oh, medyo nanglamig na rin eh. 1 full quarter nakaupo to. Hindi pa kasali itong halftime. He was 3 out of 3 for the second quarter alone.
Lopez din, mahaba yung pahinga niya.
Oh, that's a good shot there. Again, 15 na to. Good defense there on ball for Escobedo.
Five and 40. Napoles. Tolentino. Miss. Eman asking it. Sancho. Kick out. Manuel fires. Long shot. Air ball. The save goes to Sancho. Out of bounds.
Partially dropped. Yung tira ni Kilman.
Sabasa coming in.
To 43. Sabasa tries to drive. Sabasa fades away. Air ball. 1-2. And a foul.
Jersey number 23, Sancho.
Marco. Pahirapan talaga yung puntos ni Nino, no? Yes, he was fouled. But the problem is talking about free
Number
throws.
23, Sancho.
One got the line now. The foreign student athlete of De La Salle University. Second free throw. 0 out of 2. Stopped by Sancho. Escobedo. 58-43. Escobedo now.
Last 7 seconds to shoot.
Anong gusto ni Escobedo? Pero mahaba talaga itong uwan ko eh.
Escobedo fires. Miss shot. Sancho. Dagangon.
Last 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds. Manuel.
Last 5.
One-hander is good.
Veteranong veterano. Aged like fine wine.
Parang ikaw lang, coach.
Hindi naman.
Parang Maria Clara mo lang.
Hindi nga naubos sa Buwag Kasibugay. It's safe to say, Nino, if El Condor Farm will score here, that will be Probably the last run now for WB Sofia ang Batuan.
Escobedo calling for 5 down, no? Tignan natin kung saan sila pupunta. 14 seconds to shoot.
Last 10 seconds to shoot.
Manuel, one-on-one again against Concepcion. That's
Vic Manuel, that is in his bag. That
Alam na inaalak sa score. Energizer.
Valentino
14 turnovers.
and forced error that time, totaling to 14 turnovers. Bumalik na to sa 19-point lead. Sayang kanina, 9 na lang eh.
Haba ng pasa dun, no? Nakuha ni Napoles. As Jory Napoles. This is that Concepcion with a one-hander with a teardrop.
Again, it's safe to say, Nino, we're just waiting for the final score. Again, day 2 except itong El Condor. Yun yung mga move ninyo na alam mo pamatay sunog.
And synchronized pass. Napoles is scoring.
Pawian lang dito ng puntos ngayon, ha?
Oh, hindi to pwede if, you're playing against El Condor who has a big lead.
Sanjo.
8 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Dagangon. 64-47. Concepcion misses. Rebound tap to Escobedo.
Last 2 minutes.
Showtime, bro. Showtime. Showtime.
It's a foul. And not basket. Jersey number 12 holding.
Substitution.
Substitution.
Ugma and Tarosa. Rebound for Napoles. Napoles with a two-pointer.
Jersey number 15, Napoles.
Escobedo will just smell some clock here. But safe to say, we're just waiting for the final score and nakasobra si Escobedo.
Still, nawala yung 9 seconds.
1:32. Napoles fires. Short. Tarosa. Tuumba.
Last 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds.
Last 5 to shoot.
Umba. That is a shot clock violation. Back to back. Turnover.
Oo. Siguro dito naging problema na sa WB Sofia Batuan is yung 5 na lang siguro, no? They just need a perfect 5. Kasi depensa na ang problema talaga dito sa WB Sofia Batuan is the scoring.
That's out of bounds. With 49 seconds.
Last 49 seconds. Last 10 to
Sa
shoot.
pass up to Jackson Corpus, denied by Escobedo from behind. The match of clock.
That's 10 seconds to shoot.
As the people here alam mo naman gusto ng tao talaga, di ba? Mga highlight.
That's 14 seconds.
But yung pride, no?
Yes.
Eto, tan 5. Misses. And here comes Ugma.